Hi friends, this video shows how to fix incorrect time issue in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, select date and time. Under date and time, go to set date and time. Here we can see two options, set manually, then set using internet. Select the second option, set using internet. Here we have to enable this first option, set automatically. Let me enable. Done. After this, PS5 will automatically set date and time using internet. So this way we can easily fix PS5 showing incorrect time issue. After enabling this first option, we can select this set now. When we select set now, PS5, you can see PS5 has updated date and time using internet. Okay, so this way we can fix this issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.